Imagine waking up one morning and discovering you've just won millions of dollars. No more financial stress, no more worrying about bills. No more working long hours. It sounds like a dream come true. But for many lottery winners, that dream eventually turns into a nightmare. Because surprisingly, a large number of lottery winners end up losing everything. Not after 20 years, not after 10 years. Sometimes in just a few years. So how does someone go from millionaire to broke? The answer has very little to do with luck, and everything to do with behavior. Suddenly becoming rich doesn't automatically make someone financially wise. Many winners begin buying luxury cars, expensive homes, designer clothes, and living lifestyles they simply can't sustain. Friends and family start asking for money. Spending increases, bad investments follow. And slowly, the money disappears. Because money doesn't solve financial problems, it magnifies habits. And that's why wealth without discipline rarely lasts. Meanwhile, people who build wealth slowly often develop something much more valuable: patience, knowledge, and self-control. Because becoming rich is one thing, but staying rich is an entirely different game. In the end, wealth isn't determined by how much money you receive. It's determined by the decisions you make after receiving it. Subscribe to CraftCrash for more powerful videos on wealth psychology and financial freedom.